Hi, it's Dr. Durwani. So I don't want you to think that hormone replacement is only for menopausal women. There are a lot of young women who have hormone imbalances. So what I do is I go over your symptoms, brain fog, fatigue, irregular periods, lots of things that young women experience. And they're like, I just feel my hormones are not balanced. What I do, I check your hormone levels and I replace what's deficient, like what's low. And it's so amazing. My patients call me the next and they're like, I didn't know how bad I felt. Because you feel the results within 24 hours. Literally, they call me the next day and they're bright. They're like, the brain fog is clear. I have more energy, more motivation. I want to do things. And so if your hormones are not balanced, I can replace them for you. And a lot of people are like, oh, is it birth control? No, it's not birth control. It's pellets. Hormone pellet replacement. Bioidentical, meaning hormones that are exactly like the ones your body releases. And pellets because you deliver it in a way that it mimics how your own body will naturally release the hormone to you. And that reduces a lot of side effects. It's not something you have to take every day. Maybe you're twice a year pellet. Maybe you're 3 times a year pellet. But it makes a big difference. So hormone replacement is for every woman going through symptoms that suggest hormone imbalance. Okay? So contact us today. Contact me today. Link is in my bio. And I'm doing an open house where if you register and get a VIP ticket, you can get some discounts on your next pellet injection. Okay. The open house is March 18th at 10 a.m. Register. Link is in my bio. I can't wait to see you. Okay, bye-bye.